The digital transformation of the automotive is happening at unprecedented pace, and it's across a number of areas. So when we look at the trends and that drive towards what is the car on the future, there are a number of things all happening at the same time. Transition to EVs, which require a completely new architecture of the car, from the skateboard chassis with the electrical batteries, the motors. That also creates an opportunity for you to redefine and redesign the vehicle with a completely new architecture, including how you think about semiconductors and computing. Second thing that is happening, the car is now connected to the cloud. We said that many times. Once you connect the car to the cloud, everything changes. The car becomes a center for services, for distribution of content, for new applications. And that it's very connected to not only how the car becomes a platform for new services and a new opportunity for the car companies. Many of you here will agree with me that, you know, and I'll generalize it, but I think that's mostly true. The relationship between the owner of the car is with the dealership. But now, when you think of all these screens in the car, all the computational power and the connectivity to the cloud, for the first time, the car companies have an opportunity to have a direct relationship with the car owner in real time. Personalized experience, provide new services, sell hardware and software services, even run a CRM into some of the applications of the digital cockpit. It's a whole new opportunity that fundamentally transforms not only the car, but the entire ecosystem. And then to that, we add the car becoming intelligent, the ability to drive assisted driving to every car, and how do you actually scale that. And I also will talk about the merging of physical and digital spaces. We have been working for virtual reality, mixed reality, augmented reality for a while now. And when you think about the evolution of the heads-up display, you have incredible opportunities for also merging physical and digital spaces with the car. When we look at all of those trends, this is the mission that we set ourselves to do at Qualcomm. Can we enable the car of the future? And when you look at this, you'll be able to see a number of different technologies that Qualcomm can provide to the car companies, and they're coming from their one technology roadmap and our IP that I just discussed with you. Real-time contextual data, vehicle-to-everything connectivity, understanding all of the surroundings, that's going to drive efficient and intelligent transportation system. Software-defined vehicle central computing, and as you think about the car being the connected computer on the wheels and the new architecture, the ability to drive a new level of efficiency and thermal as you add all this computational capability of the car, to realize this vision of the car connected to the cloud, and then now a hub for content in and out of the car, plus services and applications, and in the ability to create whole new business models. And eventually, we believe some of those new business models are going to generate as much revenues and earnings to the auto companies than the profit of selling the car in first place. It's a big transformation, and that's where we're focused on. And focus on building a platform that will enable all of those new services, applications, and technology transitions for the car company. And the embodiment of that vision and that platform is what we call the Snapdragon Digital Chassis. It has a comprehensive digital solution that includes all of those elements, which is the digital cockpit, the car-to-cloud connectivity, and the Snapdragon Ride for autonomy. And it has been embraced broadly by the automotive industry. And that explains the reason Qualcomm has been so successful in a very short period of time. And the decision about technology partnerships for the future of the auto industry, it has been done, we see within all the car companies, is a transformation. Car companies now want direct relationship with the technology companies and the OEMs, and decisions are made at the CEO level because they're very important for what the future of this industry is. So I'm going to leave you with a video from General Motors, and then I want to talk about what is that the Snapdragon Digital Chassis is bringing to Qualcomm.
At General Motors, we have a vision of a world with zero crashes, zero emissions, and zero congestion. We have the right team, the right technology, and importantly, the right partners to deliver and create a better world for all. General Motors and Qualcomm have a long history of strategic partnership. Our industry and our company are undergoing a once-in-a-lifetime transformation to electric and autonomous vehicles, which is reshaping our approach to technology and innovation. More than ever, it is essential to partner with the right companies, as we are doing with Qualcomm, to foster innovation and deliver the very best vehicles, services, and experiences to our customers. I want to thank the Qualcomm team for your partnership, and I look forward to everything we'll continue to achieve together in the future.
So the reason we selected GM for this video, and we put the Cadillac Lyriq outside, and hopefully you had an opportunity to see it, because the Cadillac Lyriq embody each and every one of the elements of the digital chassis as a platform. And that's not unique to GM. I think that's the reason, as I said before, in a very short period of time, the solution has been adopted and embraced by a large number of OEMs.